So I work with employers to basically find jobs, find work experience positions, apprenticeships, that sort of thing. And obviously then they are filtered through to the customers who use our service for them to find employment. So with employers, we offer an employment support package where we'll help promote their adverts, a job advert, across council social media and to our partners. We'll also put those out in job clubs and everything, so it's kind of complementary to the traditional advertising routes they might take. We put on training packages with employers where we work with unemployed people and give them pre-employment training and also information from the employer to talk about the environment they're going to work in, and off the back of those the employer will offer guaranteed interviews. We also work with employers to identify candidates from our sort of local labour market profiling, and we can perform pre-vetting for candidates as well. So it kind of makes the recruitment process more efficient for employers because we can do sort of the first phase sifting, that kind of thing, and then pass job seekers, CVs, things like that over to employers to then do their assessment process basically.